Before giving certain medications, a nurse must know one important skill that can prevent serious complications. That skill is apical pulse monitoring. Today, let's learn how to assess the apical pulse correctly at the bedside. The pulse can be assessed at different locations in the body. However, when we need the most accurate heart rate, especially before administering certain cardiac medications, we measure the apical pulse. An apical pulse is the heartbeat heard directly over the apex of the heart using a stethoscope. This is the fifth intercostal space. This is the left midclavicular line. This is the apex of the heart. The apex of the heart is located at the fifth intercostal space along the left midclavicular line. This location provides the clearest sound of the heart's contractions. Unlike a radial pulse, which is felt at the wrist, the apical pulse is auscultated using a stethoscope. When should assess the apical pulse? Before administering cardiac medications such as digoxin. In infants and young children, when the radial pulse is irregular. In patients with cardiac disorders, when a pulse deficit is suspected. These situations require a more accurate assessment of heart rate. For this procedure, we need a stethoscope, a watch with a second hand or timer, documentation sheet, or nursing chart. Always ensure the stethoscope is clean before and after use. How to do. First, explain the procedure to the patient and ensure privacy. 2. Position the patient comfortably in a sitting or supine position. 3. Locate the fifth intercostal space at the left midclavicular line. 4. Place the diaphragm of the stethoscope firmly over the apical area. 5. Listen carefully to the heart sounds. You will hear two sounds. Lub-dub. One complete lub-dub equals 1 heartbeat. Count the apical pulse for 1 full minute. This is especially important if the rhythm is irregular. Never estimate by counting for only 15 or 30 seconds when accuracy is required. The normal resting apical pulse for adults is approximately 60 to 100 beats per minute. Athletes may have lower rates, while children generally have higher rates. How to document. Document the heart rate, rhythm, date, time, and any abnormalities observed during the assessment. For example, apical pulse 78 beats per minute, regular rhythm, date the 6th of April 2026, time 6 p.m., no abnormalities detected during the assessment. Accurate documentation is an essential nursing responsibility. Common errors include incorrect stethoscope placement, counting for less than 1 minute, not identifying irregular rhythms, poor patient positioning, inaccurate documentation. Avoiding these errors improves patient safety. Clinical significance. Apical pulse assessment helps nurses detect arrhythmias, monitor cardiac function, evaluate medication effects, and identify early signs of deterioration. It is a simple skill, but it provides valuable information about a patient's cardiovascular status. Remember, accurate apical pulse monitoring is a fundamental nursing skill that contributes directly to safe and effective patient care. Practice this skill regularly until you can confidently identify the apical area and accurately count the pulse. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more nursing and clinical skills videos.